Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you'll get alerts when I upload new content for you all, and smash that like button. How to start a blog for affiliate marketers. First, decide which platform you want to use. There's WordPress and a whole bunch of others, or you can go create a blog in our system called the Power Blog. In my opinion, the Power Blog is awesome because you have a huge unfair advantage over the competition. You don't have to worry about hosting, and not only you can make stunning blogs, but you have all of the training at your fingertips. Next, you want to choose a domain name. This is a big deal. A domain name gives people a strong idea of what a website is about. It has to be good enough for your audience to identify with. And it should be branded to you. In other words, it should be your brand name, or at least corresponds to it. Then choose a niche and stick with that one niche. For example, we're doing affiliate marketing, so we could build it around Amazon affiliate products. Then pick and choose your design for your blog. And next, create your first blog post. Let's say you picked out a product off your Amazon Associates page. So go over to your blog and start writing about that product. Like, do a review on it and post that picture onto your blog. And you can also do a video on it. Put that on your blog. And if you follow those steps that I just laid out for you, congratulations, you just created your first blog post. You can find a link down below that has a 7-day free trial that comes with our Power Blog, with tons of training to get you started in the right direction. Click on that link, the first link down below, to get started. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on my daily content. Bye for now.